Overcoming shyness and becoming more outgoing is a gradual process that requires practice and patience. Here are 10 tips to help you stop being shy and quiet. Understand and accept yourself. Recognize that shyness is a natural part of who you are, and it's okay to be introverted. Accepting yourself is the first step towards positive change. Set realistic goals. Start small by setting achievable social goals. Gradually increase the difficulty of these goals as you become more comfortable in social situations. Practice social skills. Develop and practice basic social skills, such as making eye contact, smiling, and engaging in small talk. Practice with friends or family first before trying it in more challenging situations. Join groups or activities. Participate in group activities or clubs that align with your interests. This provides a structured environment for social interaction and helps you meet like-minded individuals. Challenge negative thoughts. Identify and challenge negative thoughts that contribute to your shyness. Replace them with positive affirmations and focus on your strengths. Learn to manage anxiety. Practice relaxation techniques such as deep breathing or mindfulness to manage anxiety in social situations. Understand that feeling nervous is normal and part of the process. Gradual exposure. Gradually expose yourself to social situations that make you uncomfortable. Start with less intimidating scenarios and work your way up to more challenging ones. Ask open-ended questions. When engaging in conversation, ask open-ended questions that encourage the other person to share more about themselves. This takes the focus off you and helps the conversation flow naturally. Positive visualization. Visualize positive outcomes in social situations. Imagine yourself being confident, engaging, and enjoying interactions. This mental rehearsal can help build confidence. Seek support. Talk to friends, family, or a counselor about your shyness. Sharing your feelings can provide emotional support, and others may offer valuable insights or encouragement. Remember, progress may be gradual, and it's essential to be patient with yourself. Celebrate small victories and acknowledge the effort you put into stepping out of your comfort zone. Over time, you'll likely find that your confidence and comfort in social situations improve.